Hi everyone and welcome back to Googie's Kitchen, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 2 videos a week on a Tuesday and a Thursday at 7 AM. So if you love recipe videos like this one and you want to see more, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you how to make my delicious Milky Basa Fillets with tomato, spinach and rice. Firstly, I'm going to preheat my oven to 200 degrees. As I just mentioned, today I want to share with you how to make my delicious Milky Basa Fillets with tomato, spinach and rice. Now this recipe is really easy to do, and this is a great one for a quick midweek meal or an even quicker weekend meal too. All you have to do is put most of the ingredients into a baking tray and put it into the oven, and then that is it. You just let it cook away. I love this one because it is so easy, and my husband and son and I also love this because it's really tasty as well. The tomato and fish really go well together. We're going to be having this for our dinner this evening, and of course while I was making it I thought I'd share the recipe with you. So here is how to make my Milky Basa Fillets with tomato, spinach and rice. While the oven was preheating, I peeled and sliced 1 red onion, and I also peeled and sliced 2 pieces of garlic as well, 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm just going to put those into the bottom of the baking tray, and then to that I am going to add some tomatoes. Now these are those sugar bomb tomatoes and they taste really sweet and delicious. I have to say, I have tried one. There aren't many of them. This meal is only for Ted, Howard and I, and Ted probably won't have too many of the tomatoes either, so this is definitely just, the tomatoes are definitely just for Howard and I, and I'm really looking forward to trying them in this dish. I love tomatoes and milk and like milky creamy stuff, and this will just be really nice together. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some oat milk to this. I'm using Oatly, but you can use any type of milk you like. You could use full fat milk if you wanted to as well. So I'm just going to add that to the bottom of the tray. And then to that I'm going to sprinkle over some oregano or oregano, depending on which country you're in. So I'm going to sprinkle over about 2 teaspoons of that, and then I'm also going to add some pepper and some salt as well. So I'm just going to add some salt to this, and I'm going to put this into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes now. So the tomatoes have been cooked in the milk and the onions are cooked as well, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the fish to the top of this. So I've got 3 pieces of fish, 1 for Howard, 1 for me and 1 for Ted. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back into the oven for about 15 minutes just to let the fish cook. Now the fish has cooked, so I'm going to add my spinach, and then the rice is cooked as well, so I'm going to serve the whole dish up and that will be our dinner done. Finally I added the spinach to the milk and the tomatoes, and I just let it wilt down, and I've cooked some rice, and that is our dinner done, and I'm off to eat this now. Milky Basa Fillets with tomato, spinach and rice, and that recipe I will link in the description box below for you. As I mentioned earlier, I'm off to have this for my dinner now, and it smells so good, I can't wait. So for now, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.